Imagine transforming chaos into clarity with a single tool. Fluid PPM revolutionizes project management by streamlining processes and enhancing efficiency. Discover how this powerful tool can redefine your project management experience. Fluid PPM offers a strategic advantage by aligning projects with organizational goals. It ensures that every project contributes to the bigger picture, maximizing impact and resource utilization. Mastering Fluid PPM is crucial for your role. It empowers you to manage projects effectively, making you an invaluable asset to your team and organization. The Request Hub is where new project requests are submitted and reviewed. Let's start with Elevator. Navigate to the Request Hub Elevator module. On this page, team members can use it to jot down and view potential ideas. To begin, click on the Add Note button. A new sticky note will appear. Then, type in the title and description. If you want to turn this sticky note into an official request, click the plus button that's on the sticky note. The Ideas page captures early-stage concepts before they become formal projects. Go to Ideas. Click New Idea. Fill in fields like title, description, budget, forecast, and benefits. These details help assess the potential impact and feasibility of each idea. Assign an owner. Then, click Save or Save and Close. When you are ready to submit for review and approval, drag and drop the project into the Submit column. Projects are the core of Fluid PPM. Here's how to create and manage one. Click Projects under Portfolio. Select New. Enter project details, name, start, end dates, description, project owner, and template. Then, click Proceed. After the page loads, you can add additional details. Tasks, status reports, milestones, risk and issues, financials, and more. After filling out the details, click Save. Moving on to analysis. Leverage AI-driven insights for strategic alignment. Copilot Analysis provides data-backed recommendations, enhancing project prioritization. To use Copilot Analysis, click on Copilot Analysis. Click the Add button. Enter name and description. Then, click Proceed. It will show a list of projects below. Use filters to sort and rank projects. The Resource Allocation tool helps allocate resources based on availability and skill set. This alignment improves focus and resource allocation efficiency, driving success. Navigate to Resource Allocation. This tool utilizes a specific heat map to help track team availability and manage allocations. When a resource has availability, the allocation cell will display, filled in blue, with its specific allocation percentage until it reaches its limit. Then, their cell will show in green, warning the resource manager that their resource has no capacity left and may become overallocated. If a resource is overallocated, their cell will highlight in orange. From here, resource managers can use the information from the heat map to decide whether to accept or reject project allocation requests highlighted in blue, add projects using the Add button, and they can swap allocations with another resource or delete a resource's allocations altogether. Use timesheets to accurately track time, support billing and payroll, and provide insights into project effort and resource use. Navigate to Timesheets. Click on the Add button to select and add project tasks, then enter daily hours worked on specific tasks in the Timesheet module. After completing entries, submit timesheets for managerial review and approval to verify accuracy. Generate insights with Fluid's reporting tools. Navigate to Reports. Choose a report type, starting from Portfolio Overview to Cost Data, Risks, and many more. Use filters to tailor reports for specific insights. In the Resource Center, you can manage users and roles. Go to the Resource Center. View the list of users and roles. Assign roles, departments, and availability. All changes are saved automatically. I hope you enjoyed this training guide. Thanks for watching.